types of houses. But before starting with the types, I would like to tell you what is a house. A house is a place made for people to live in. The house in which we live with our family is called our home. Our house protects us from rain, wind, thieves, wild animals, and heat. There are basically two types of houses, Kacha house and Pakka house. Kacha house is also called hut. As you can see in the picture, these houses are mostly made up of mud, straw, and dry leaves. They are not very strong. They are even made up of wood and called wooden houses. For this, bamboos are also used to make the houses. Pakka house. These houses are made up of bricks, iron rods, cement, etc. It is also called permanent house. The reason behind this is these houses are very strong and we cannot move these houses. They are fixed at one place. As you can see in the picture, the number 1 picture shows it's a multi-storied building, that is even called a flat, and the next one is a bungalow. Children, I would like to tell you, thousands of years back, the people who lived were called early men. And these people used to live in caves to protect themselves from the climatic factors and from the wild animals' attack. They even made houses on big and strong trees. But these days, you can see this has become a fashion to attract the tourist. Houses are also made according to the climatic conditions of the particular place. As you can see, this house is called igloo and it is made up of blocks of hard snow. And the people who live in such houses are called Eskimos. The places with heavy rainfall and snowfall usually have roofs that is sloping. The reason behind is it prevents the roof of the house. Otherwise, the water and the excess snow gets accumulated on the roof and it destroys the whole house. Mountain areas usually have such houses. Some people keep moving on from one place to another place in search of food, work, or due to extreme climatic factors, especially in the villages. In such cases, they make temporary houses. Tent house is one of the examples of temporary house. They are either made of clothes or canvas. Next one is houseboat. Such houseboats are usually seen in Kerala, Kashmir. These boats have almost all the facilities of normal houses. But again, these houses are in fashion to attract the tourist. Children, I would like to tell you, a good house is the one in which we can live with our family, which allows the sunlight and fresh air to come inside. It should have enough doors and windows for ventilation. It kills the bacteria and the germs.